County Public Library is back with another kids virtual program. So this week's program is Nature Wands, and it is a take and make project, so you can pick up your bag at Columbus Library or Saluda Library. So there are some craft supplies in your bag along with some directions. So we're just going to go through how to make a nature wand. You will need some glue or tape at home. If you have an adult that has a glue gun, that would be awesome, because this is the best kind of glue to use for the project. If not, you can get some Elmer's glue or tape. So we supplied the non-nature products, but if you want to take a walk and get a stick that will be the base of your wand, and then some other nature items like leaves, acorns, pine needles, anything you think would be cool to add to your wand. So it is actually raining today when I'm filming this, which is Tuesday. So I didn't get to go find that many cool things. So I hope you guys find lots of cool nature stuff to add to your wand. And my stick is pretty sad. So if you don't find a good stick, a wooden dowel is also something you can use. And that's what I'm going to use since I couldn't go on a walk today. All right, so the stick is going to be your base, and you want to wrap something around the stick. So in your bag, there is some yarn, and you can start it kind of at the bottom or in the middle. Hope I don't burn my fingers on camera here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tie my yarn. That is a smart idea. I'm going to tie my yarn at the bottom of the dowel. This is a long bit of yarn, and then just twist it around so you're kind of covering the stick up, making it colorful. There are different amounts of yarn in your bags. First I thought I wasn't giving you guys enough yarn, but now it looks like I gave myself way too much yarn. We don't have any scissors in here, do we? I'm just gonna keep wrapping until my faithful sidekick Amelia brings me some scissors to cut this yarn with. All right. And then when you're done wrapping it, you can tie off the other end. And then cut the excess yarn. All right. Way too much yarn. So we didn't even need our glue for the yarn. All right, so you're gonna wrap your yarn around the stick, and then you're gonna take the cool stuff you collected, the leaves, the acorns, and then you're going to take the cool stuff in your bag. So this is actually going to be the top of the yarn. You might have a fake flower or a pipe cleaner in your bag. That's going to be for the top. You can also put feathers on the top. You'll have some feathers in your bag. The rubber band is for the top of the wand. It's to secure the feathers and the pipe cleaner or flower. And then in your bag you have some just fun little pom-poms, or sequins, or buttons, or beads. So we're gonna glue those. We're gonna glue those to our wand. So we'll add a pom-pom, a button, a sequin, and if you, are doing this with a glue gun, that's why I need to use the grown-up, because you can very easily burn yourself. Don't worry, I burn myself all the time. I'm immune. All right. You know, for the leaf, I'm going to try to tuck the stem of the leaf under some yarn. There we go. Well, right. And then I'll add a little bit of glue for some reinforcement. I think I need a pom-pom up here too, pink. maybe a pom-pom on top of that glue that I use for this leaf. I really like these tiny pom-poms, they're so cute. Another button. The sequins are the ones that burn my fingers. And then at the very bottom, I will put this big sequin. All right, so you can add pom-poms, leaves, acorns, pine needles, buttons, sequins. You can add it all around. You can add it on the other side too if you want, but I'm just going to do the front side of mine for now. And then we want to add something on top. So like I said, you have feathers in your bag. You should have about 3 or 4 feathers, different colors. I have pink, orange, blue, and purple. And then you also have a fake flower or a pipe cleaner. And you can make a design with your pipe cleaner before you attach it. So I am going to attempt to make a heart. Hey, that's not too bad. Kind of looks like a heart, right? Right. All right. So I'll wrap the bottom of the pipe cleaner around the stick or the dowel for my heart. And then I also have my feathers. Let's see, maybe I can make those come out of the sides. It's hard to hold 4 feathers at one time. And then you have your trusty rubber band. Now here's the hard part. Stick with me. Hold it all together with the rubber band. Maybe. I'll have to wrap it a few times. Oh dear. Well, I don't really like that. I'm not going to use my rubber band. Let's try this again. Some of our crafts are all about trial and error. You see what works for you and what doesn't. All right, I'm going back to my pipe cleaner. I have another idea. If you don't want to use your rubber band, before you tie your pipe cleaner around, you can put some feathers. I'm just going to use 2 of my feathers. And then you wrap the pipe cleaner around the bottom of your feathers. All right. So you do have a few different options. You can also glue them if you like. All right, so get your stick, wrap it in yarn, glue on your sequins, pom-poms, and leaves, and then attach a fun little design or flower and feathers to the top. Have fun.